Remember this video? If not, the link's at the top if you're interested. Got me thinking about productivity, whether it's being more efficient with your designs or managing your workload or simply managing your time in a way that gives you more time to do the things that you like, whether that's a hobby or whether that's spending more time with the people that you want to, but it's being able to have that time and being more productive. So today I thought we'll do something different and let's talk about 4 ways to be more productive in basically anything in your life. Let's go. So first off, we've got time blocking. What this is basically scheduling out a specific block of time to accomplish a task or a goal. For example, I might schedule that on a Monday from 8 PM to 10 PM. My job is to record my next video. And then maybe on Tuesday, I've blocked out that at 10 AM to 12 PM, I'll edit that video. And then maybe from 1 PM to 2 PM, I'll go to the gym. But you get the idea. The idea behind it is that with each time slot, you have a task to complete and an allotted time to finish it in as well. So it means that you're more focused on your task and you try to get it done in the time that you've given yourself. But with this is something else to remember. The rule is that a task will take up as much time as you give it. So if I give myself 6 hours to edit a video, it's going to take me 6 hours. And a lot of that might be wasted. Whereas if I give myself something a little bit more reasonable but also doable, and let's say 2 hours I have to edit that video, then my goal is to finish it within that 2 hours. There'll be a lot less procrastination within that 2 hours because I've given myself that 2 hours to finish it in. So I've just saved myself 4 hours by being more realistic with how quickly I can do something. So time blocking being the first one, let's talk about number 2, which is task batching. Although I'm pretty sure it's called something else, but that's what I'm just going to call it here. Basically, this is batching together similar tasks and doing them all at once. So a super simple example of this would be, is that if you were a photographer, would you go out, take a photo, come back, upload that photo, edit that photo, get it ready to print, and then go out and take your next photo? Probably not. You don't even have to be a photographer to know that just isn't productive and it isn't the right way of doing things. So instead, you batch the tasks together. So you'd go out, you'd take all the photos that you were going to take, then you'd come home, you'd edit all the photos at once, and then you'd get them all ready for print all together. So batching tasks means you're not wasting time switching from one task to the next. Similarly, if you're recording a video, instead of recording one video, then editing it, then getting it ready to post out, you'd record maybe 3 videos, edit those 3 videos, then get them all ready to go. So batching each step of the task and doing as much in that batch as you can, especially if you find yourself doing the same tasks over and over again. All right, third, we've got task breaking. I'm kind of just making up these names as I go because it makes sense to me, but hopefully it'll make things a bit more simpler to you as well. So let's say you've got a big task, but it seems really hard to finish and you end up not wanting to do it. Big tasks can be quite daunting and they always tell you to break things down into smaller tasks. And that's basically what it is that instead of tackling this one task in one go, break it down into smaller tasks. And then if needed, break those down into even smaller tasks. This means you can focus on something really small, which is easily achievable, but will actually move you forwards towards your goal. Now, what this really works well with is number 4, which brings me to my favorite one, and that is the daily goal. Now, this is setting one task that you want to achieve on that day, just one. And it is the thing that's going to make you feel like your day is a success. That one thing is your sole priority throughout the day. So now you've got your big tasks split into smaller ones. You can make those smaller tasks into your daily goal. Each day you complete your daily goal, slowly you'll be working towards finishing your big goal. And I've got to say, this has got to be the thing that's improved my life the most, is I have a set one thing to do every day. And that one thing has moved me forwards and helped me complete a lot of tasks and a lot of goals that I never thought I'd achieve. Because behind it all, you end up progressing without even realizing you're progressing, because every little goal that you do is a small step in the right direction. So it's definitely worth a try. All right, that was supposed to be the last one, but this is the last one, and it's kind of like a bonus one. And this might sting a little, but stop watching productivity videos and put them into practice. Put what you learn into practice. Now, this is something I'm definitely guilty of. You binging videos to find the next amazing productivity hack or what this person is doing or that person is doing. But instead, take what you've learned, try it out. It might change your life. Ironically, the most unproductive thing to do is watching productivity videos, or at least binging productivity videos. So stop it. There you go. There's 4, technically 5 ways to be more productive in your life. These have helped me so much in my life, and I really hope they help you as well. If you have any other ways to be more productive, drop those in the comments. And also, what do you think of this video? It's something different to my normal stuff, but hopefully still helpful. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And do let me know if you like this kind of video, because if you do, then I'll obviously make more of them. As always, the social links are in the description below if you want to follow me on anything. And as always, I've been BrownBear. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.